Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Tody app is and how it's positioned. According to its official App Store listings, Tody is a smart to-do list designed specifically for managing household cleaning routines. It focuses on helping users organize cleaning tasks based on actual need rather than fixed schedules or arbitrary dates. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official information, the app falls into the productivity category, with a strong focus on home cleaning and maintenance management. One of its core features is an indicator-based system that tracks how dirty an area is, helping users prioritize what needs cleaning first. The app also visualizes cleaning progress, showing both dirt buildup and the effect of completed tasks to motivate consistency. According to official descriptions, Tody avoids strict deadlines or constant reminders, giving users more flexibility in how they manage chores. It includes customizable cleaning plans, where users can set up rooms, assign tasks, and adjust frequency based on their own preferences. The app can suggest cleaning tasks and recommended frequencies, which may help users remember less obvious chores over time. There is also a shared household feature where multiple users can sync tasks and check in to claim completed work. Tody includes gamification elements, where users can compete against a virtual character to stay motivated, although engagement with this feature can vary. Some versions also include modes like relaxed or proactive cleaning styles, which adjust how frequently tasks are suggested. This app may be useful for users who want a structured but flexible way to manage cleaning without relying on strict schedules. For users interested in visual task tracking and household coordination, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.